Today I'll show you how to do a hard reset on the Samsung Galaxy Tab E and bypass pattern or password protection. Here I have the Samsung Galaxy Tab E. At the very beginning, hold down the power key for a few seconds. Then from the menu, tap Power Off and tap OK to confirm. Wait until your device is completely switched off. Afterwards, use the following combination: power key, volume up, and home button. Hold down these three keys simultaneously for a few seconds. Keep holding them and release all keys as soon as the Samsung Galaxy Tab E logo appears on the screen. Excellent, excellent. As you may notice, the Android system recovery pops up. Navigate here using both volume keys. Scroll down to highlight Wipe Data Factory Reset and press Power key to confirm. Then scroll down a couple of times to choose Yes, delete all user data, and press Power button to select it. Now the device is erasing all personal data and customized settings. All you have to do is press Power key to reboot the system. The tablet is resetting and rebooting. The whole operation should take a while, so be patient and wait until it's finished. Excellent. As you can see, the welcome panel appears and there is no pattern or password protection. You can start activating your device easily. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up under the video.